This MacBook has a battery service warning and the battery is no longer charging properly. We'll replace it with a new battery to restore normal performance.
Let's start by removing the bottom lid screws and carefully lifting off the lid to access the internals. Before going further, let's disconnect the battery connector and the trackpad cable. Now we carefully use the pull tab to remove the adhesive. Then lift and slide out the old faulty battery. Time to place the new battery into position and secure it properly. With the new battery in place, we reconnect the trackpad cable and the battery connector. Everything's back in place. Let's close up the bottom lid. The MacBook is now charging normally and the battery service warning has been cleared. The replacement is complete. And that's a wrap. Contact Fixxo for expert Apple repairs on 888-444-1326 or just scan the QR code on screen. Thanks for watching.